Well, this is the part that maybe why we're not getting much news. Okay? The original lawsuit about the money laundering and the bilking of homeowners was done in 2008 by Spire Law Firm. One of the partners' name is Mitchell Stein. Well, shortly after he filed the original lawsuit in L.A. County, he got arrested in North Carolina and indicted for guess what?
Money
laundering, theft, stock, tax evasion, and stock manipulation. Exactly what he was saying in his lawsuit against people in California that were ripping off homeowners. By the way, most of the homeowners, not all, but most of the homeowners are minorities that were targeted because it was the belief of the bankers involved that if you built these homeowners that are from Mexico or Jamaica, or if they're black and they're poor, they're only able to buy, this is their first home with a low-interest loan, we give them a variable rate, no mortgage, they don't know what they're doing, we come back, take the house, they can't do anything about it. Well, that's the point of Spire Law Firm. That's their credo for the last 30 years. We represent people that have faced corruption and violence in the private sector and public sector, and we represent them because we make a lot of money representing the rich and the famous. So part of our creed is that we make sure in the public forum people don't get ruined financially and taken by the richest people. So they named some of the names who gained individually from this process of money laundering and theft, forgery, all these things are charged. Attorney General Eric Holder, acting in his individual capacity. Assistant Attorney General Tony West, the brother-in-law of defendant California General Kamala Harris, Attorney General Kamala Harris. Interesting, Harris, acting in their individual capacities, is named in this lawsuit. And that was the ones that went after the lawyer originally in California and got him disbarred and indicted. John Corzine, former New Jersey governor. Robert Rubin, former Treasury Secretary. It gets better. Guess who else? Anita Dunn, former communications director for the Obama administration. Robert Bauer, husband of Anita Dunn and chief legal counsel for the Obama re-election campaign.
Wonderful.
And Timothy Geithner.
Timothy Geithner.
Treasury Secretary. Eric Holder and Geithner have already resigned, right along with Hillary Clinton.
The rat's leaving the ship.
That's exactly what it's called, and I've talked about it for years and years. No, Hillary Clinton isn't named, but Hillary Clinton's jumping ship because she intends to run for president in 4 years against Jeb Bush. Now, I'm sorry, if all of this is too large to get your mind around, it is.
What is the gross national product every year?
Half. Well, no, actually less than half. $29 trillion is twice the gross domestic product of America. So now we're at $43 trillion. We're at 3 times the gross domestic product of America. Where has the money gone overseas? They say they can track it, they know where it is, and they can prove it in court.